Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel, Top 5 Hunter. We are coming up with another great video for the top 5 best virtual reality headset right now. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on notifications so that you never miss a new video. Number 1. Oculus Quest 2. Oculus Quest 2 is our most advanced all-in-one VR system yet. Every detail has been engineered to make virtual worlds adapt to your movements, letting you explore awe-inspiring games and experiences with unparalleled freedom. No PC or console is required. Get the most out of each moment with blazing fast performance and next-generation graphics. Stay focused with a stunning display that features 50% more pixels than the original Quest. Or take a break from the action and grab front-row seats to live concerts, exclusive events, and more. The redesigned touch controllers feature improved ergonomics and intuitive controls that transport your gestures, motions, and actions directly into VR. You can even connect your VR headset to a gaming-compatible computer with an Oculus Link cable to access hundreds of PC VR games and experiences. Quest 2 also lets you bring your friends into the action. With live casting, you can share your VR experience with people around you. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Valve Index VR Full Kit. At $999 for the full headset, controllers, and base stations package. The Valve Index is an expensive PC-tethered VR system. The headset itself, while capable, doesn't do much to rise above the competition besides delivering a smoother 120 Hz refresh rate. The controllers, however, wowed us with their finger tracking and much more natural, immersive feel than other VR controllers we tested. They're the stars of the show and the reason the Valve Index earns our Editor's Choice Award for tethered VR headsets. Though if you already have a Vive headset with base stations, you can add the controllers for $279 and save a ton of money. The standalone Oculus Quest 2, another Editor's Choice pick, is a much more affordable headset that's simpler to use, lacks cables, and doesn't require a PC or console to work. However, the Index lets you enjoy smoother action, much more advanced graphics, and controllers that are a huge leap ahead of what Oculus uses. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. HTC Vive Pro 2. The Vive Pro 2 is the highest resolution VR headset we've seen yet, with a price to match. It's worth considering if you want the best VR experience available and don't mind mixing and matching components. Despite my qualms about tripping over cords, PC-tethered VR is still going strong, as seen in the excellent Valve Index. Before the Index, though, Valve partnered with HTC to produce the first Vive VR headset to work with the Steam VR platform. The two companies parted ways on VR development, with HTC vying for much more enterprise and development attention with its Focus and Pro Eye headsets, while Valve released the Grip Sensing Index. HTC isn't out of the consumer VR game, however, with its middling but functional Vive Cosmos headset and its new Vive Pro 2. Despite its name, the Vive Pro 2 is intended for both professional VR and consumers, offering the same Steam VR compatibility as the Valve Index along with HTC Viveport ecosystem. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. HP Reverb G2. The main sell for the HP Reverb G2 VR headset is its ultra-high resolution. With 2160p per eye available, it manages to completely shake the screen door effect that plagues many of its lower-resolution competitors. The caveat is you need a PC capable of running VR games at 4K without slowing down your frame rates too much. Trying to game in virtual reality with frame jitter is not only nauseating and annoying, but it's also bloody dangerous. You can step down the resolution per eye with relative ease if it surpasses the limitations of your hardware, though. And while it may not quite equal the resolution of Pimax's 5-core 8K headsets, for many of us even 4K remains superfluous at the moment. At least it's potentially future-proofing your VR setup somewhat for when you do decide to upgrade. Something that's not future-proof, however, is the use of standard mixed reality controllers. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. HTC Vive Cosmos Elite. The HTC Vive Cosmos Elite enters a VR landscape with a lot of choices. You can either go high-end with something like Valve's Index, something portable like the Oculus Quest 2, or something in the middle. This is where the HTC Vive Cosmos Elite finds itself. While not as powerful as its bigger brother, the HTC Vive Pro 2, it's strong enough to be an ideal headset for those who want to experience everything VR has to offer. If you're unsure which headset is right for you, you can check out our best VR headsets guide here. While the Cosmos Elite is a fantastic headset, it doesn't solve the VR teething issues of the sheer amount of space required to work perfectly, or the many cables that will create tripping hazards around your living room. While the controllers are fine and work well for titles like Half-Life Alyx, their tracking wasn't as accurate as you'd like for the total immersion that VR can offer. Please comment on which product you like the most. Let us know your opinion on the topic for our next video. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.